Welcome back to another video. Today we got the Armstrong 3-outlet wall adapter with 2 USB ports. It says indoor, and you got the item number 56220. It says USB rapid charging port and 2 USB charging ports, 2.1 amp and 1 amp. It's not really a rapid because you know iPhones and Samsung phones these days, I believe the rapid is 3.1 or something, or 3.0. That is the rapid, but this is faster than your first generation. Anyways, this is USB rapid charging port. It says right there you got 2 USB ports, and you've got 1 amp here and 2 amp here, protected. It says compatible with most smartphones, smartphones and tablets. Guys, and don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals. I got more tool reviews and tool deals coming up. We'll be making a lot more tool review on Tuesdays, and pretty much if I can find any other deals, I'll just post them up the same day that I find them, so you guys can get the deals there. You got 2 USB ports, rapid charge built-in, surge protection with LED indicator, space saving, design, convenience. Plugs into any 125 volt household outlets, compatible with most. Okay, pretty much the package here. Oops. All right. We can see it's well packaged in there. Alright, we got pretty much 2 USBs, 2.1 amp, 1 amp. Obviously you want to put it on the 2.1 amp to charge your phone faster. It says protected with the light there, red light. You got 3 regular outlets. It does plug into your electricity outlet on the back. This is model number 56220, 15 amp, 125 VAC, 1875 watts at 60 hertz. Okay, let's try this out at the wall and see if it charges the phone. All right, we got some extension cord here. Guess it's on. Plug it in, see what it does. Alright, you get a red light. I don't know if you guys could see it. You got a red light there when you plug it in. Alright, if you want to plug in a device, I'm going to plug in this phone here first. I'll plug in the phone, and I'm going to put the phone right here. Alright, it says it's charging. It says charging 37%. So like I said, it's not really a fast charger, it's just a regular charger. That is a 2.1 amp. Then we'll charge it at the 1 amp. Same thing with this, it does say it's charging. Got a wireless charger here. This is the wireless charger. Basically you just plug it into a USB and you plug it into the electrical outlet. Alright, as you can see, it's plugged in. It's charging. Yep. It's currently charging, as it says right there at the bottom, wirelessly 37%. Let's try the other one. Oops. Let's try this one. It's charging. And then let's try this one. It's charging, so I guess it works pretty good. It's not, like I said, it's not really a fast charger, but it does give you this access to a USB, and pretty much you can put this anywhere in the house. Even if you want to expand the capacity from 1 outlet to 3 outlets, this is a great item here, and it'll expand it even more with these 2 USB ports. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, 2 deals, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.